V8, V10 or V12 and why?
V10.
Ooh.
I believe that is the better compromise between the screaming beautiful V12 and the slightly smaller, cockier, less fuel dependent V8. The V12s, you have to rev them all the time. You're revving to get the performance. And it's actually just a bit grating to constantly be going,
Right, yeah.
the V10, it's just sweeter. You know when you've got someone that you know who's got a particular accent or whatever, that it just grates after a while.
Yeah.
That's like a V8 in comparison to a V10. But I'd take a V8 over a V6, although a V6 turbo with all the bits and pieces can be very efficient.
What do you think of electric cars?
I don't have an electric car.
No. So,
Thank God, 'cause that would have been awkward if you'd have said, "Well, I've got quite a few electric
that
cars."
would have been fun, yeah. So,
No,